Let us quickly see how to use this member info smart spreadsheet. Open the smart spreadsheet, open the relevant STAAD file, select any of the member from the STAAD file for which you want to get the info. Then come back to this Excel smart spreadsheet, click on get member info button, and as you can see, all the information related to this member is now extracted by the smart spreadsheet. We can just cross check whether the member number is correct, the length which the smart spreadsheet extracted is correct or not. Now, member number is 1251, length is 7 meters, released at end A as well as end B, and the release are M1 and MZ. Everything is correct and to the point. All rest of the information you can cross verify on your own. One more thing I just wanted to tell you, that along with all these results, this smart spreadsheet also extracts name of the STAAD file which is currently in use. As you can see, NFL set is the name which is correctly extracted by the smart spreadsheet. Along with that, the storage location on hard disk where it is stored, it will also fetch the details just to make sure that if in case user has opened more than one STAAD file, the program can extract results from some other similar member from some other STAAD file. So it is always recommended to just open the relevant STAAD file and this spreadsheet so that there will be no confusion on software end as well as on user end. Now let us switch to the second spreadsheet, get params. In this worksheet, as you can see, this fetches the parameters assigned to a particular member in the currently open STAAD file, all the parameters details. For example, I select one of the members, let us say this member I will select, and I will come back to this smart spreadsheet. I will click on clear table button. It will ask me to enter just two details, one parameter number, second member or beam number. One thing I want user to make sure rather, that whether the STAAD file which is now currently in use and the member which the user has selected has any active parameters assigned or not. I mean to say, I will click on this design button, so it will show me. As you can see, there is only one list of parameters which is named or numbered as parameter 11. In this particular parameter, now I have selected one random member. I need to check whether any parameter is assigned to this member or not. I will click on this random parameter. As you can see, this particular parameter is assigned to who structure. That means it is applicable even to this member. So now I will come back to Excel. Meanwhile, I need to take two things with me from this STAAD. One, beam number which is 1235 and the parameter number which is 11. So parameter number I will put it as 11 and the member number I will put it as 1235. Then I will click on get design parameters button. As you can see, the results are populated and all the parameters assigned to this particular member are fetched by this smart spreadsheet. We can verify it from our end. One of the things which commonly is assigned to a time member is KY/KZ parameter. Now, as per this spreadsheet, KY for this particular member is assigned as 0.7. We can verify. We'll go to STAAD. We can track that parameter. Here it is, I must say, as you can see. KY is assigned as 0.7. As well, KZ is also assigned as 0.7, which the smart spreadsheet has fetched at this particular location. That's it, simple to use. One more thing, similar to previous worksheet, this sheet also fetches the details of STAAD file from which the results are extracted, also its storage location on user's hard disk. Simple to use, but smart enough to save chunk of time.